HouseMixtapes.com.
Yeah. Lil Grim. I know that one alcoholic drink in my hand keep me from having an attitude. 2 alcoholic drinks in my hand keep me from lashing out at you. 3 alcoholic drinks in my hand keep me from walking out to the truck. 4 alcoholic drinks is enough to stop me from even giving a fuck. You want it? You want it? Come and get it. Grim came back with the strap, click clack, I'ma bust until it's empty. I keep my enemies close, I ain't never really been too friendly. This ain't no fairy tale, motherfuckers so quit pretending. My story has no ending, I'ma keep it a secret. Let you assholes just keep with the weak shit. Cooking 100 keys in a week, it's easy for me, just keep with the G shit. I'm leaving them leaking, blow a motherfucker head off, no reason. Is it the fact that I lost my mind, or could it be it's hunting season?